y'all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm trying a new place today, which I've actually I've had one slice of their pizza. It's a Rick's 5-star pizza. When I was at work, the IT manager comes in and he had a couple pizza boxes, so he opens one up for me and he offers me a slice, and I'm never going to turn down a slice. So it's not super far from home, so it might be my new regular spot for pizza. But I decided I wanted to try their meatball sub, because I think meatball subs are underrated. So here she is, wrapped up in oh man, I wish we had smell tube. This thing smells really good. Is it gonna make a huge mess is my big question, but let's give this sucker a taste. You know what? That's really good. It's really good. Nice flavor on the meatballs. Nice melty mozzarella cheese. Marinade's got a nice little tang to it. And the bread is just, it looks like just a crunchy roll, but it's actually quite soft. Alright, so here's the sandwich. 2 sides. It was $12.10 after tax, which is not bad. I didn't get any sides or anything because I figured the sandwich would be good enough. It is quite tasty, so I'm going to enjoy this and I'll bring it back. So this place has a really good meatball sandwich. I enjoyed every bite, except for the one meatball that fell out of my sandwich and bounced off my shirt. Damn it. So that was unfortunate, but I've got their menu here, so let's run over the menu while we're sitting here, and we'll go over that. So here's their menu. It's actually a pretty big menu for a small independently owned place. So they've got calzones, chicken wings, which I'm curious about trying, boneless wings, which why bother, smoked pork riblets, garlic bread, cheese bread, breadsticks, batter dipped green beans, Rich's Parmesan pan-baked dinner rolls, which sounds really good. We have cheesy buns, pretzels, and beer cheese. It's interesting. So you can make your own pizza, or they have a make your own, which I'm gonna come back and get the probably the 10-inch, just because I'll get the small one. I might probably need the pizza next time. So they have I'll try to find the link for their menu and then put it in the description. I'm not going to read over the whole thing because it's pretty big. We got a bunch of different kinds of pizza. Pulled pork pizza, which sounds really good. Margarita, 5-star Supremo, the carnivore. Pepperoni Palooza, which sounds good. Then they have pastas, spaghetti with meatballs, fettuccine alfredo, chicken parmesan, which I do really like. Chicken carbonara. They got salads as well, so you can get a side salad for $8. Chef salad, antipasto salad, and whatnot. And then they got the subs, which is what I got. They got the meatball, the spicy sausage sub, Italian sub, ham and Swiss, turkey sub, French dip, Philly cheesesteak, and a turkey bacon ranch melt. That sounds good too. And pineapple, and then a pineapple Thai chicken sub, and then a pulled pork. And of course, you got your beverages. It looks like they had just liter bottles of everything. So, cinnamon rolls and stuff, cinnamon sticks in their dessert menu, which I don't need desserts. All right, so first impression, really good. I really liked it. I will be back for sure. It's hard to get a good, just a good pizza place. It's hard to get a good pizza usually because everything that's not a chain is, you know, closed or something. But the prices didn't look bad. The food is good so far. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm hooked. So I'll probably when I come back, I'll do a pizza because I really like pizza. So if it's anything like their sandwich, it was good. So I do thank you for watching. Link to the menu will be in the end, also the description, as well as the last video I did for local eats and the playlist. So as always, have a great time or a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.